Starting tomorrow, you could get a ticket for violating the state's so-called daylighting law. So we want you to be aware of this. It bans drivers from parking within 20 feet of any crosswalk, marked or unmarked. So how does that look? How far is 20 feet? CBS 8's Regina Yorita live in Kearney Mesa to show us what this new law will be. Regina, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Netta. That's right. And if you're like me, probably confused of what 20 feet is, just for reference, where I'm standing, you can see this black marker here on the ground. This is where I'm standing, and then heading over to that orange cone just next to that crosswalk. That is like roughly 20 feet. Think of it as the length of a car, which is about 14 feet with an extra leg room. So starting on Saturday, drivers could be cited for parking within 20 feet of any crosswalk. Californians had a 2-month grace period since the law took effect in January. And in that time, the city had been issuing warnings, but now on Saturday, you could get ticketed. This is a law you should follow with marked or unmarked crosswalks. This rule applies whether or there isn't a red curb or no marking signage at the intersection. State legislators passed the law to improve traffic safety. It's also intended to improve visibility for drivers in intersections. The city says if drivers have greater visibility at crosswalks, crashes involving pedestrians can be more easily avoided. Since it passed, San Diego has evaluated more than 1,000 of the busiest intersections. Crews installed red curbs at approximately 200 locations and removed 97 parking meters within the 20 feet range. So as you can imagine, a law like this can be a sore subject since some Californians argue that there is already not enough parking in many areas. Drivers we talked to in the past say they want improved public safety, but have concerns about this new law.
You have to let people know. You would have to market, which again, that costs money.
Now, as far as how much this citation will cost you, it's about $77.50. That is the same amount as a current fine for parking at a red curb here in San Diego. So just be aware that starting on Saturday, you could be cited if you park about 20 feet from a crosswalk.